Yeah.
This is a CountryBoyModz
Basically, man, I'm
production.
getting ready to just head over here to Walmart to pick up that flex tube. Once I get in Walmart, I'm pick up a couple more things, and once I get that flex tube, and we'll be okay. After that, hopefully. I have no regrets from trading the Rogan for the Altima. Yeah, the downfall is like I can't total anything anymore, but I wasn't really towing with the road like that. But the gas mileage on this Altima, man, when I say it is amazing. I love the gas mileage on here. I made it here to ELwire, and let's see what Buddy doing right here with these baskets. Alright, so yeah, we're about to go in here inside Walmart and get this flex tube for the doors. Hopefully they got it in this Walmart, because if it ain't, I'm not going to another. I'm just playing, but I'm gonna get that flex tube today from one of these Walmarts. Let's see. Oh, somebody got the little dog right there. I don't know about y'all, but when I come to Walmart, man, I tend to park away from a lot of people. Yeah, flex tube be on this here. I park away from a lot of people, so we're gonna see. As you can see, I told you I park away from a lot of people. Yeah. But here at ELwire, I'm finna go in and try to knock some stuff out this morning. But other than that, man, I think we're gonna be great. Let's go on to ELwire and knock this out. Alright, so we're here at the automotive aisle. I just started looking at some LED. So I've been thinking about this. This gonna be coming to the channel soon, some LED. But
Maybe not. Yes. Are you with me? Don't let me get lost.
Excuse me, sorry about that. All right, so I was able to find some kind of flex tube in Walmart. This the 3/8 inch. I really wanted the 1/4 inch, but I think the 3/8 would be cool. I mean, I think it'd be cool. This ran about, with tax, total about 3 something, probably like 320 or whatever. But I mean, let's head back home and install this flex tube in the door, and boom, we're there.
3 days later.
This flex tube here in there, and once that flex tube goes in there, we're gonna see the final result. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, now we got the flex tube out. So what you want to do, you want to measure it off, get a line in between that can go around this, and you put it in the flex tube. So that being said, I'm about to cut that. All right, we got the flex tube cut. So now the next step, cut the center line out so we can place this over top of that wire. That's what I'm about to do now. Wish I had a prop stand, but hey, it's okay. So like I said, you want to get the flex tube, get that center line cut out like that, make your way all the way to the top. You want to get a good pair of scissors, old scissors or something like that. Just got to laying around the house. You want to cut that, make sure the scissors are sharp enough, because this flex tube is pretty, how can I say, rough. Not that easy to cut, so you're going to take a little manpower or woman power, whichever one you want to do. If you're a man or woman, it's gonna take a little bit more gristle in that backbone and them shoulders and them arms to get this cut right. So I'm almost done with that. So I'm gonna put it on top next. All right, now as you can see, you got the flex tube here. It's split good enough in the middle. So what I'm doing is spread this apart and put the wires in between that, and that should cover it up. So we'll see how the final results here when I'm done. All right, you wanna know why I say these things are hard? Look, man, I broke the scissors. All right, as you can see, I got it going. Got it right here. Like I said, I'm gonna push this wire right here back behind there. I'm not even gonna tell that it's there once I'm done. What else? Had a special cut of piece to go right there. And up under here, replace this wire back under here. But as you can see from before, now you see it without it. Looks like it kind of belongs there. So we're gonna do that. Now it's time to go to the driver's side and get that side done. I'll see y'all in a little bit when I'm done. You do the same process over there. All right, now we're on the driver's side. About to do the same thing I did on the passenger side. Driver's side should be a lot easier. Like I said, if you can't find flexi tubes, see if you can find anything like some rubber tube. Anything will work. Only thing about flexi tube, you might hear that little crackle when you close the door, but I got a fix for that too. Wrap something soft around it. Who knows? Anywho, so I'm about to do this side. All right, let me close this door again. Hate that, man. All right, so I got the tube cut down the middle with the box cutter. Got one of these. What I got is one of these retractable blades, just in case, you know, safety is key. Ready to put it on and get ready to knock this out, because like I said, it's getting ready to get dark, so I ain't trying to be out here this late. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this. You know, the best part about this ELwire, since it already got those little line slots on the back side right there, it's easy to go in between the lines, so I won't have to do that much spreading apart. So I'm gonna have to use both hands to spread this part apart, but majority of it I was able to get it in there with no problem, as you can see. So let me finish that up. All right, got that installed. Like I said, I'm gonna push the rest of those little wires in there. I might just cut out another little ring, but you need some slack where you can the door, I mean, how can I say, the flex tube can stretch with the wire, because you don't want to, I gotta say, pinch the wire. So that's why I lift a little bit, but majority of it is gonna be back behind the door like it should. So with that being said, as you can see, we got that going inside the door all the way over to the passenger side. Let's see how she closes up. Boom. She's closed up. I just gotta finish running the wires back under there for when I was showing you all, and boom, I'm done. We got it there. No more visible wires for right now. Let me get me a piece of electrical tape, tighten it up. And for the passenger side, ta-da. Plug in wire. EL light in. EL light is on. You see it? It's all in the good. All the way around, baby. It's looking good, looking good, looking good. The driver's side. I mean, I think it look good. Looking real good. I gotta still go up under here, as you can see. I got finished tucking the wires in, but that's pretty much it, man, for the ELwire install. you can see, like right back here where I told you that tough spot at, this is not visible to anybody right here, so pretty much good to go. And that's it. Thank y'all for watching the channel. Appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. We still growing. We're at 1,140 subscribers right now. Let's keep that going to 2K. Almost to 2K, man. So I appreciate y'all for everything. And yeah, with that being said, y'all enjoy, be safe out there. And this is my complete ELwire installed for my 2020 Nissan Altima.